everything in reality came from a thought. Like we heard someone back in the day was talking to like 100 people and he couldn't get his voice to the last person. And they say, hey, if I could just, build some, or if there was a device or there was something, a tool which can take my voice and then get it to the 100th person, it would be really cool. And then someone maybe came up with the loudspeaker. And then they came up with the microphone, and now we have the wireless microphone, and now we can reach to millions of people. So anything in reality comes with a thought. Your thought is one of the most powerful things you have. What thought are you going to have? So this is where the reframing comes in. Okay, if your thought can change let's take this mic, for example. Someone thought about this mic, and then someone went to a designer and said, okay, how can we make this thing in a two-dimensional figure? Someone drew it out. Then they took it to the engineer and the manufacturers. Then they created a three-dimensional piece of this mic, which is sitting right here. So something that started from your mind can actually translate into reality very fast. That's why I guess this reframing, like everything in universe is
coming from the thought.
It's coming from our thought.
Yeah, absolutely.
So thoughts are very powerful. Choose them wisely. And I tell people, like, you're the director of your own movie. Basically you choose, you want to have a very dramatic and a crazy movie, or you want to have a very happy ending, happy stuff, because you can direct it yourself.
Yeah. Ask yourself what you really want. Yeah. And then think that way about it. Yeah.
And what also you can do is like something very simple for you. You want to be a person, whether it's career, love, finance, whatever, in the next 5 years or next 2 years. Just put it down exactly. I am the person who's super fit. I'm the person who's super successful. And then draw a timeline back and just ask, like, okay, what does this person do in this very moment? And then just learn from it. Yeah. Your future self can teach you a lot because you already know what you want to be.
Yeah, exactly.
Just see what decisions that person will make.
Okay, one last question, and then we're going to get to the rapid fire, which I already know a lot of these answers anyway, but let's just go through. Okay, so what do you think has been the main contributor of success with being a forerunner to biohacking in the UAE market for you?
TikTok and YouTube.
Yeah. Okay, good. So you're leveraging that the right way. Fantastic.
Yes,
so you
not
got
just
the word
for me.
out.
Yeah, not just for me, because it is a complex topic to understand, but there are educators all around the world who are spending a lot of time making content, doing conferences, and now those things are spreading around the rest of the world, and it's made itself here. So now we can, before I used to stand on the top of a building and say, hey, red light therapy is good for you. And now we have people coming in and said, hey, I saw that TikTok and that YouTube video.
Yeah.
And so it's, I guess, mass media is helping it quite a lot.
Okay, good. All right, rapid fire. So before we close, I left some lighthearted but meaningful rapid fire round. So these are quick questions to capture your instincts, okay? And offer a glimpse into the personal side of your journey.
Okay.
So first thing that comes to your mind, okay? One biohack you swear by.
Infrared saunas.